There's growing backlash in Washington today over Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr.'s decision to fire all 17 members of the CDC advisory committee that helped set vaccine recommendations. ABC's Christiane Cordero has that report from Washington.
Today, all 17 highly vetted doctors and public health experts responsible for setting the CDC's vaccine recommendations for children and adults have lost their positions. The unpaid panel let go by Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy in a message saying this email serves as formal notice of your immediate termination. The American Academy of Pediatrics is among those sharing concern, calling the mass firings an effort to silence independent medical expertise and stoke distrust in life-saving vaccines. Kennedy, a vaccine skeptic, said his decision is prioritizing the restoration of public trust above any specific pro- or anti-vaccine agenda, pointing out President Biden appointed 2/3 of the panel in the last year of his presidency.
You and I don't ask when our pilot is flying our plane, are you a Democrat or Republican? You ask, can you fly this plane safely? Do you have the experience and the expertise to do that? That's what this committee was all about. And it has served us very, very well over the years.
The Senate confirmed Kennedy in February by a 2-vote majority, a crucial swing vote. Republican Senator Bill Cassidy, who is a doctor. He said then Kennedy promised him he would not touch the independent CDC committee.
It confirmed he will maintain the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention's Advisory Committee on Immunization Practices recommendations without changes.
And this morning, the Louisiana senator sharing his concern, posting, "Now the fear is that the committee will be filled up with people who know nothing about vaccines except suspicion," adding he's talking with Kennedy to ensure this is not the case.
I'll have to see. He'll forward me the names, but I can't answer that because I haven't seen the name yet.
And today, several current and former CDC employees are staging a walkout at the CDC headquarters in Atlanta, in part because of these most recent firings. Christiane Cordero, ABC News, Washington.